Hi my respected friends, today is the video of Mahzooz draw. The next draw is drawing on 24th September 2022. Friends, these 5 numbers are most powerful numbers for this draw. You can select 3 numbers, 4 numbers or 2 numbers from here and you like. Remaining my powerful numbers from 1 to 9, 2 and 5, from 10 to 19, 12, 17 and 19. From 20 to 29 I have only one number, that is 21. From 30 to 39, 33, 34 and 38. And from 40 to 49, 41 and 43. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. Any number you like, you can choose in your selection. Friends, you should select your maximum numbers between 27 to 48. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 27 to 48. If you want to play repeated number from previous result is 16, 27, 31, 37 and 42. If you want to play repeated number from this result, then these two numbers, number 1 is 27 and number 2 is 37. These two numbers has chances can repeat one number from here, 27 and 37. Last point, you should select your maximum numbers in even, 3 numbers in even and 2 numbers in odd. This is best pattern for this draw, and these are most powerful numbers. You can select 2 or 3 numbers from here and remaining numbers from these numbers. Okay friends, this is my overall Mahzooz draw prediction. All efforts for you. So good luck to all and pray for me and wait for my next videos. Goodbye.